What's up, you guys? We're back again, another pack opening. Today we're doing Shadow Specters Special Edition, and we're opening up this Lord of Tachyon Galaxy. We got 4 of those packs, so pretty cool opening today. I'm obviously hunting the ghost rares in here. We're looking for that Divine Dragon in the Shadow Specters, and then obviously number 107 in Lord of Tachyon, Lord of the Tachyons. So I am gonna open up these boxes and get all the packs out, and then I'll be right back. I'll just save all the promos and show you guys. So I'll be right back. So I managed to get everything out, and I managed to get out the promo cards without actually looking at them. So let's see what we got here. So we got tuning as our first one. I'm pretty sure these are worth at least $1 or $2 around there. Another tuning. Nice. Got the second one. And sweet, we did get a Stardust Dragon, which is pretty cool. Pretty sure, I mean, it's, again, not crazy expensive. It is a promo. But we'll sleeve them up anyway, because Stardust Dragon, you know? Alright, so we have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 Shadow Specters. And then we only have 4 of these. So we'll start off with this, and then we'll do 3 Shadow Specters, and we'll go like that. So obviously I'm hunting the ghost rare out of this set. That actually opened very nicely, because I like to keep the packs. So we got Mermail Abyssocia, Fire Formation Kaio, Little Fairy, Rise Bell the Star Adjuster, and we got Redox, Dragon Ruler of Boulders, as our rare. I don't know if you get a rare and a holo. I guess we'll find out. Abyss Scale, the Mizuchi, Battling Boxer, Shark Fortress, Brotherhood of the Fire Fist. So we did not pull a holo, which kind of sucks, but hey, it's gonna be okay. So now we got Shadow Specters. This first pack I gotta open up a little bit gentle. I want to save it. Alright, we got White Dragon, Werver Buster, yeah, Night Day, Greffer, Sacred Serpent's Wake, Mecha Phantom Beast, the Saberhawk, Gigantic Castle as our first rare. Alright, so Soul Drain Dragon. So I don't know where the holo would be at in these packs. They're a little bit older. Malice Varus, but I guess we'll see, because I got 9 packs, so we should at least get a holo or 2. So Ghost Trick Spectre, it's pretty cool common for all those people who play Ghost Tricks. Chow Chow Chan, Ghost Trick Scare. And we got O Token Ram. O Token Bomb? Oh, O Token Bomb. Very Christmassy. And we got Skelosaurus as our common. So we did not get a holo. I'm assuming it's going to be after that rare. That's the assumption that I'm making right now. See if I can open this one a little bit. There we go. I like that a little bit more than the other one that I opened. So we got Magicalized Destin Mop, Ghost Trick Mansion, Mythic Tree, number 65 Dijin Buster, and we got Malice Varus Spoon, Vorus Spoon, not Varus, Vampire Grace, Dragon Shield, Ghost Trick Vanish. So we've opened 3 packs. We're going to go ahead and open another Lord of the Tachyon. So if you guys wonder where I got these from, I actually traded in some of my bulk and managed to get these packs. So that was pretty cool. Wasn't actually like very expensive because I was just trading in my bulk. So we got Jewels of the Valiant. Baki. Five Brothers Explosion. Do a barrel roll. That's hilarious. Oh, and there we go. That's our first holo. Madolche Knights. That's actually pretty cool. Madolches are a very nice archetype. So let's go ahead and get this sleeved up because it's our first holo, other than the, you know, promos. So there we go. I'm happy now. We at least pulled a holo. I'm sure we'll pull more, right? Shark Brecken, Legendary Atlantean, and Radius. Alright. So back to the Shadow Specters. So we got Chow Chan again, Ghost Trick Scare, Malik Voris, Ghost Trick Stein. I don't know why I thought he was a holo. Swarm of the Crows as a rare. I've never used this card, but I have always personally thought this card art looked so good. Gives off major like October vibes. Alright, we got Blue Destin. So no holo out of there. There we go. Another pack. I mean, even if we don't get a ghost rare, I would like an ultimate rare or a secret rare. That would make the pack opening for me. White Dragon, River Buster, Night Day Greffer, Sacred Serpent's Wake, Vampire Duke as our rare. Oh, he's a zombie? That's interesting. And we got Ghost Trick Witch. Not a holo. Man, we are not having good luck with Shadow Specters. Not having good luck with it. So I believe, yeah, we'll open up one more. Then we'll move back to Lord. Alright. Survival of the Fittest. Rasetsu. Ghost Trick. Gaga Tag. Eritama as our rare. Alright. And Vampire Kingdom. Alright. Not having any luck with Shadow Specters. Not any luck at all. But we have one foil so far. Or not foil, but holo. Ooh, this one did not want to open. Maybe that's a good sign. Battling Boxer Sparrer? Battling Boxer Counterpunch. Panther Shark. Aerial Recharge. Trifortriceps. Right? And we got Little Fairy. So we didn't pull a holo out of that one. Rise Bell. Eagle Shark. Five Brothers Explosions. These set, I mean, they had some cool cards in them. And we're not done yet. We got 3 more Shadow Specters and then 1 more Lord. And just so you guys know, this video is probably popping up because I could not find any new gold series. So hopefully I'll be able to. Arm Protector, Night Day Greffer, Mecha Phantom Beast, Cal Griffin as our rare. Come on, give us something. Give us something. No. Baby Raccoon. Man, I can't believe we're not pulling anything. But, yes, I have not been able to find any gold, which is slightly okay because I really want to save my money to get the new Brothers of Legend. That's a set that I want to get a decent amount of. So you may see a lot of that on my channel when that comes out. So just be aware of that. Ghost Trick Stein. And we got Puralis, the purple. I can't remember if this card was good or not. I don't know. I remember my friend used it once. And Blue Dustin. Are we not going to pull a single holo out of 3 special editions? Maybe that's like normal. Maybe the special editions for Shadow Specters was rough. Sacred Serpent's Wake. Battling Boxer. Rise Bell. Mythic Tree. Number C65, King Overfiend. I mean, we got a lot of rares. And Vampire Kingdom. We are not going to pull any holos out of that. That is crazy. Alright, final pack. Lord of the Tachyon Galaxy. Can this make up for it? Can this give us something? You know. Burner, Dragon Ruler of Sparks. Little Fairy. Aurora Wing. Recton, Dragon Ruler of Pebbles. Ooh, CXYZ, Dark Fairy Cheer Girl. It's a pretty nice card. And we got Brotherhood of the Fire Fist. Wow. No holos. I mean, we got one. Right, so we have that. This is going to be weird. Usually I put up the price of all the holos, but today I'll put up the price of the holos, because we did get these in the beginning, and then all the rares, and that's it. We're not going to include the comments, and there you guys go. So I didn't really lose any money here. I didn't gain any, but it was literally just me giving in my bulk. So this is a fun little opening I figured I'd do. See if we could pull anything cool, and we did not, but we did get Madolche Knights, which I'm pretty hype about. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace out.